boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guava in my shorty bag.
I honestly don't even know what I want to eat right now. I kind of don't even feel like eating because my cheek is like the inside of my cheek is so swollen. Like every single time that I bite and I chew, I'm damn near biting the inside of my cheek and it really hurts. It's very annoying. It's so bad that I have to chew so slow. And by the time I'm halfway done with my food, I'm full already because it's taking me so long to eat. My body is digesting it. So I'm probably just gonna make a smoothie. But yeah, I'm just gonna make a smoothie because I can't even eat. I can't even enjoy my food, if that makes sense. And I like to enjoy my food, okay? I like to eat. But anyway, let's go ahead and make my smoothie.
But these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You don't see I'm the lowest of the lowest. But then you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need a new drink, gold up don't change. We're fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving surface, calling on my favorite. You know how to reach me every time that it pays you right. Rise up the night, we committed a crime. Way over long, there's no sacred spot. We can't be outside, cause the package. Take you on a road, I'm a girl. Flying overseas and we feeling free, getting around high. While we getting high, right over Dubai, tell me where you walk. We ain't do nothing like gold. But fuck it, have fun in the sun. This is that real. Ain't no one hitting like that, how you feel? Waiting for you, now it seems like you always in the mood. But I can't complain. Now you on here touching snakes on a plane. We got bottles to drink, something to burn. It's easy when you losing track what you earn. By the way she talking, I just might hit the altar. Cause of the way she acting, I just might wanna show her that I'm trying to hold her down when the whole trip is over.
I am gonna go take a shower right now because I put him to sleep, and this is probably Thanks a lot. I just put you down. It's not funny because had I kept holding you, you would have still been asleep. This is outrageous. I go through this every single day. I can't do anything when he's asleep because he's always on me. Thankfully, I was able to sneak a shower, put something on for him to watch, and with his silly sister playing with him, everything was good. But since I did take a shower in my daughter's bathroom, I didn't have any of my face wash or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face.
I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash on. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags on. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass on. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it on. I'ma snap on these fuck niggas every time they piss noise. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama runs. Then throw me the alley hoop. Yeah. Then threw me the alley hoop. I fucked around the jump. Got the small talk. I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash on. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on.
Spend the evening with me? Yeah, let's do it. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, so there is a project that I have been dreading, and that is sorting out my seasoning cabinet. Tonight, my friend is coming over. I'm gonna make some Chipotle burrito bowls because we got Chipotle at home. Okay, but I am gonna make that, and I need to get this done. I might as well just do it right now. But the first step is washing these, and I think that's why I've been procrastinating and dreading it. So we're gonna wash them. I love them though. Aren't they so cute? She's cute. With the wooden top, yeah, she's really cute. I really wish she would have came with some spoons. No, just like sprinkle, dip it in there, sprinkle. But it's okay. Like, I've been using one for the salt, and I've just been sprinkling it, and it's good. But here she is, okay? Here she is and all of her friends. Okay, but I just cleaned my sink, so I'm gonna fill it up with some warm, soapy water. Make that hot. I'm gonna fill it up with some hot, soapy water. We're gonna get the girls in there and clean them real quick. Now that I think about it, this is not gonna be done by the time she comes over. She's coming over at 6, and it is 5:22. They're not gonna be dry by then. So, whatever. She'll just have to see my messy cabinet for what it is, because it's me. No, I'm playing, but I think I could at least put these down. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put these down. And I also have some other ones. I need to just go ahead and order like 2 more sets of these. Or at least, let me see. 12. So it's 12 of them. I might order another one because I have these other ones already. Still square, wooden top, same, literally the same top. Hello, the flash. But yeah, it's literally the same top, so I don't know if I should keep them or if I should toss them or what. But anyway, I am gonna put this up because this it's atrocious. Okay, it's nasty. Oh my god. Don't even say nothing, okay? That's why I got these. So let's do it. I know my kids is tired of me. Okay, I finally got him back to sleep. It took so long because he woke up, so I had to put him back to sleep. So anyway, they are pretty much dry, but they're not dry enough for seasonings to go in there. You know what I mean? I'll just do that after I'm done cooking. I am gonna start with the rice, beans, and corn. So I am gonna do the corn sauce that they do from Chipotle or at Chipotle. We are doing black beans, and I gotta use the white corn. Oh, rice. So So much my cabinets, okay? That is my next project. My Instacart order got here, so cheers. He woke up, and if I look at him, he's gonna start. So I gotta make sure that I don't look over there. But the corn is done, so now I'm about to add the beans.
You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted, and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind.
I made eye contact with him.
When you know love is all I need, I don't wanna stay. I really wanna stay. I don't want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Can we get it? Yeah. And I don't wanna. I don't really wanna go. I don't really wanna stay. Don't want to stay. Get it together. Get it together. Let's get it together, babe. I can't let go, 'cause being confused just takes control. I hope we can start brand new, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Oh no. With the love we share, baby, it's all so rare. I'm willing to try and make you see that all you need is here in me. I don't wanna stay. I don't wanna go.
Okay, I didn't finish vlogging last night. It was a good night. We ate, we talked, we sit and chilled. Everything was going good until I started washing dishes and I literally cut my hand off. Okay, I didn't cut my hand off, but how is it still bleeding? Y'all, it bled all, like, for a long time. I couldn't even finish the dishes and I'm so mad. I still got dishes in my sink. It's not a lot, but I didn't want no dishes in my sink. Anyway, yeah, I was bleeding so much. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, fuck, I hope I don't pass out. No, it wasn't that much blood, but I did cut like a chunk of skin off. You can't even see nothing. It's all freaking bloody. Because last night I tried to put a band-aid on it. It slid right off because there was so much blood. I was cleaning the fuck out of that knife. I'm not gonna lie, I am always cutting or burning myself or hurting myself in some type of way. But this has to be like the worst cut that I've ever got. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is what the doctor gave me when I got into the accident with my kids in the car and Ava had to get stitches. So this is like just a higher grade of Neosporin. So I'm gonna use that and put a band-aid on it. And I'm probably gonna retape it again, not gonna lie, because it is swollen. And every time I bend it, I can barely bend it, but every time I bend it, it hurts. It feels like I'm ripping the skin up. So I'm gonna do that. But lucky for me, I can't do dishes, so their dad is gonna have to do dishes. He should be here in a couple of hours. He's a truck driver. He got a freaking flat tire. I don't know what I'm gonna do when he leaves. Why did I have to go myself? Why did I have to go myself? Last night was just full of pain, okay? Because she fell off the bar stool. She kept spinning it. I told her to stop. Her godmommy told her to stop, which was my friend who came over. She said stop. You shouldn't do that. We started talking about a kid that injured themselves. 2 seconds later, fell. The whole chair fell, and she fell with it. So, her little ear was swollen, but she was okay. I, on the other hand, am not.